to go. Let's go. What do we... But I need an outfit. What now? Okay. I'm guessing you want the purple bow? Yeah, you know it. Okay. Taylor. Okay, I'm fine. Thanks. Okay. All right, well, that's great. Just great. You go look for your purple bow. I'm going to go travel around and see if I can find something. Some stuff that we could survive with. Okay. I need to find that bow. That purple bow. I gotta hurry and jump it out. Jump it. Oh my god, there's purple skirt too. Oh, yes. Yes, I got a purple skirt. What, are you kidding me? It's so small. I can't even wear it. Darn it. This pink necklace. My purple bow. There it is. Okay, time to put on my purple bow. Whoa, oh god. This is, I don't know why this is an earthquake over here. Yeah, this is just not going as planned. I mean, not as planned as well as it should be. Okay, good thing I got my bow now. Now I have to clean up this mess. Okay, got it. This is so not working out. This is for Jake. Put everything. This is. Okay. Oh my dog. Help. Okay. Got it. Now I gotta put it away. Okay. Oh, I forgot one collar. Whatever. Jake, here's a collar that I think you might like. But I don't want it. Okay, well then, too bad. Okay, hurry. Gotta put it in the Ziploc bag. Thingy majigger. Put it in there. Okay. My dog. I hate earthquakes. Oh my dog. Oh my dog. I was literally about to die. Oh, not really, but still. Izzy, what are you doing there? Sorry, I'm supposed to be deep in there. I know. Okay. Why is everybody's voice sound so weird? It's probably because we're screaming because we're literally freaking out. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Okay, let's go. It's time to fly.
We said we're going on the 12th. Yeah, that's what we said at the beginning.
Oh my dog.
And come back. I mean, we go on August 12th for 1 week and a half. I mean, it's like 10, 11 days. So we come back on the 16th. Yeah, so now.
Okay, time to explore this. I'm gonna jump onto that table.
No, I mean, come back on the 23rd. Yeah, come back. Come back on the 22nd. Be here on the 22nd. You know, we probably come back on the 21st.
Ow!
You know, to be here on
that really did hurt.
22nd.
What in the world? There's weapons.
Now,
There's weapons.
you gotta go.
Oh I do? Oh. It's the mirror. Hey. That's... Hi. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, what is this? Okay, well, this is not really that harsh. The door closed on us. Okay, let's put this back. Nothing, there's no food. Okay. Hi. Yeah. It's me. Do you dare me to show my face? Okay, yeah, whatever. Ah! There's nothing that we could use. I'm gonna go fly up there. Yeah! Woo! Okay. Taylor! Ow! Yeah? Come on. Let's get you back. We need to take off the clothing. It's gonna rip and then it's gonna hurt. Okay. I'm gonna go get Savannah. Savannah, I need the necklace. Why? Because it may break and it's made out of glass. Ugh. Can't get the necklace off. Thanks for the necklace. Thanks for the necklace anyways. Guys, it's so earthquakey. Okay, I'm gonna go put this back. Okay, you too, Taylor. Okay.
Okay, so then
Dog. Great. Let's put these in
Matias is
here.
going on vacation on July 4th. Yeah.
Okay, put this back in. And this back in. But not Kylie's. Not Kylie's outfit because that's
So then I think
her.
I
Alright, my voice usually does not sound like this because we're literally yelling and screaming. Okay, let me go put this back. My voice is usually nice sounding, but we're in an earthquake. I need the next pet. Any different pet? Okay, I'll come. Savannah. Oh, right. I thought I got it. Someone else but me. Me? No, you're not. You're not. I'll be back, Blair. Me? Okay. Whoa, it's so earthquakey. Whoa, what do we do? It's so earthquakey. Oh, this is earthquake. Arrow? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm perfectly fine, but I'm just so scared, like so weirded out because we are literally in an earthquake in this car. Well, it's technically an RV. Her name's Theo, and Fiona, how do you know? Isn't it obvious? Right. Right. Oh yeah, I actually get it. But still. Why do we even have this earthquake anyways? Well, arrow. Sorry. It's so earthquakey. What do we do? Arrow! Arrow! Oh, dog. Okay, what are we supposed to be doing? Well, the earthquake has calmed down, but I can tell that we're gonna go for another ride. Oh, and by the way, your bow flower is like smearing. Oh, wait, it is? Yeah. Oh yeah, I already knew that. I thought it looked nice, but I guess let's change it. Yeah, I think bless you. Come on, let's go change it. Okay. Bless you. Okay, so. Okay, let me fix the smeared bow, I guess. Yeah, the smeared bow. Better. Yeah. So, yeah. Alright. Ah! It's so earthquakey! To be continued.